experience. Obviously, MIT is a great reputation as one of the premier universities in the world, especially it's been at the forefront of a lot of the biotech industry and a lot of things that have happened recently. So that's been really, a great experience just to be here, learn from some people who've been in the industry for, decades.
And I'm looking to kind of expand my skill set, get a more robust understanding of both, I guess, like the history of sort of biopharmaceutical process development and downstream processing, but then also kind of current trends and then also where it's going in the future. Trying to come up with different ideas, strategies for new projects we're working on and kind of getting a sense of broader industry trends.
The professors made it like very fun and engaging, and they zoomed in when they needed to, but they also zoomed out. And I also really liked how they delivered the lectures with real-life examples of their industry partnerships.
So the faculty that have been teaching the course thus far have been absolutely phenomenal. I am pleasantly surprised at how digestible the material was. I didn't really know what to expect.
It feels like you're building connections that have value beyond just the course. And so I'm very optimistic that when I work on new projects in the future, I'll have a completely more optimized mindset about how to go about it. So I think it's extremely valuable.